Hello, this is lecture 37, first BSc, first SEM Maths, Unit 3, problems on indeterminate forms from Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So let us see the now indeterminate form infinity by infinity. So in Roman 1 we have previously indeterminate form 0 by 0. So whenever the limit value is to be infinity by infinity as in indeterminate form, so how can we find the limit value of that function? If limit f of x by g of x as x tends to a is equal to infinity by infinity, where or when x is equal to a, then it reduces to 0 by 0 form by suitable simplification and apply L'Hospital rule, because now it is of 0 by 0 form. L'Hospital rule. So how to find the value of the limits whenever it is 0 by 0? Previously we have, now it is infinity by infinity form. Now the problems. First problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 cosecant x by log x. Cosecant x by log x. So this is the problem asked in 2018. Solution. Given limit x tends to 0 cosecant x by log x is equal to, as cosecant 0 is infinity, sin 0 is 0, so that cosecant 0 is infinity by log 0 is minus infinity. Log 0 is equal to minus infinity. Log 1 is 0. Log infinity is equal to infinity. Right. So that here is infinity by infinity. This is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now I can apply the L'Hospital. Right. Cosecant x differentiation is minus cosecant x cot x whole divided by 1 by x. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 1 by sin x into 1 by tan x whole divided by x is equal to minus 1 limit x tends to 0 x by sin x into 1 by tan x is equal to minus, this value is 1, since limit sin x by x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1, or limit x tends to 0, even x by sin x also will be is equal to 1. So that this value is 1 and this is 1 by tan 0 is 0 is equal to minus infinity. This is minus infinity. Limit value is minus infinity. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 log tan x divided by log x. So solution, given limit x tends to 0 log tan x divided by log x. So when x is equal to 0, this value is log 0 is log 0 minus infinity by infinity form. Log 0 is minus infinity or infinity by infinity form. So that apply L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. Limit x tends to 0 log tan x divided by log x is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by tan x into tan x differentiation is secant square x whole divided by log x is 1 by x again is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by tan x into secant square x. So apply the limit value, this is 1, even secant square 0 is also 1, is equal to 1. So its simplification is 1 itself. Next third problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 log x square divided by cot x square. Solution, given limit x tends to 0 log x square divided by cot x square is equal to, in bracket it is log 0, so that minus infinity by infinity is equal to infinity by infinity form, infinity by infinity or minus infinity by infinity or minus 1 into infinity by infinity form, indeterminate form. So to apply the L'Hospital, limit x tends to 0 log x square is 1 by x square, again x square differentiation is 2x divided by minus cosecant square x cosecant x square into 2x is equal to limit x tends to 0. So 2x will be cancelled and this is to be minus sine x square divided by x square is equal to cot x is cosecant square x square, so that it is minus sin x into x square, again one more sin x square is there. So this value is minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So next problem, fourth problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 log sin ax by log sin bx. Solution, given limit x tends to 0 log sin ax by log sin bx, it is again minus infinity by infinity is equal to infinity by infinity form. Apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by sin ax into sin ax differentiation is cos ax into a whole divided by 1 by sin bx into cos bx into b. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 a into cos cot ax by b into cot bx. It's again cot 0 is infinity, so infinity by infinity form. Infinity by infinity form. So apply L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. So that limit x tends to 0 a by b into minus cosecant square ax into a whole divided by minus cosecant square bx into b. Next, fifth problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 log sin x divided by cot x. And this problem is in 2015. So that the solution, limit x tends to 0 log sin x divided by cot x is equal to infinity by infinity form. Infinity by infinity form. So differentiate again the numerator and denominator. It is 1 by sin x into cos x divided by minus cosecant square x. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 cos x divided by sin x into sin square x. Of course, this is minus. Is equal to minus limit x tends to 0 cos x by sin x into sin x. So that minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So this problem is in 2018. So whatever problem it is, evaluate limit x tends to 0 log sin x basics. Solution, given limit x tends to 0 log sin x divided by log sin x basics is equal to, its simplification is limit x tends to 0 log sin x divided by log x. As it is, we know that log a base b is equal to log a by log b with same base. Now it is equal to 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form. Whatever minus or plus is equal to limit x tends to 0 log sin x is 1 by sin x into cos x whole divided by 1 by x is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by sin x into cos x is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So very simple this problem, easy to find out the limit. Next, seventh problem. Evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2 log of x minus pi by 2 whole divided by tan x. So suppose x is equal to pi by 2, it is log 0. X is equal to pi by 2 means log 0. Log 0 is minus pi by 2, minus infinity divided by tan pi by 2 is infinity form. So apply the L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. If apply the L'Hospital, so that this is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2, log differentiation is 1 by x minus pi by 2 whole divided by tan x differentiation is secant square x. It is again infinity by infinity form, L'Hospital. So that this is equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2 or pi by 2. So simplification of at first, then we will go. It is cos square x divided by x minus pi by 2 is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. This is of sin square of pi by 2 minus x divided by x minus pi by 2 is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 sin of if I take minus is outside, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, so that minus sin x minus pi by 2 divided by x minus pi by 2 into sin of so whatever is this, because even here is also, if I take is minus plus, I will take in the denominator, that minus is common, it is for easy for you. So the denominator I will take, it is to be minus 1 sin pi by 2 minus x whole divided by pi by 2 minus x into sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to minus, this value is 1 and this value is sin pi by 2, sin 0 is 0, is equal to 0. Right, eighth problem. Evaluate limit x tends to a log of x minus a divided by log of e power x minus e power a. Solution. Given limit x tends to a log of x minus a divided by log of e power x minus e power a is equal to infinity by infinity form or minus infinity by infinity form. So that this is equal to limit x tends to a, as apply L'Hospital 1 by x minus a whole divided by 1 by e power x minus e power a into again e power x minus a, e power minus a, e power x differentiation is e power x minus e power a differentiation is 0. So this is equal to this is x minus a. Limit x tends to a, the reciprocal is e power x minus e power a whole divided by e power x into e power x minus e power a is equal to limit x tends to a means e power a minus e power a is 0 by 0 form. L'Hospital is equal to limit x tends to a e power x divided by denominator is UV method, e power x into e power x minus e power a plus this is constant, this I can differentiate whereas next e power x is constant. This e power x minus e power a can differentiate as we method. So here is as reciprocal, denominator is only x minus a. So here is also denominator is after differentiation e power x into x minus a plus x minus a is to be constant, e power x differentiation is like this. Next e power x is constant, x minus a differentiation is 1. So apply the e power x is common now. Limit x tends to a, e power x divided by e power x is common means x minus a plus 1. X minus a plus 1 is equal to, these to be cancelled. Again x tends to a means 1 by a minus a plus 1 is equal to 1. Right. Right. Ninth problem. So do this problem, homework, a simple problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 log x by cot x, log x by cot x. The answer is to be 0. So do this problem to homework. Thank you very much.